Our back bar beer cooler with stainless steel top. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, a total length of 50 inches, a depth of 24.5 inches, and the overall height with caster wheels, we have 38 3/4 inches. Minus the wheels, we have 36 inches tall. Caster wheels beneath the beer bar back cooler with brakes. Dual swing doors, and the measurement for each door will include 20 inches in length by 32 inches in height. Coming to the inside of the beer bar back cooler are 4 adjustable shelves, 2 to the left and 2 to the right. Measurements for each shelf will include 18 inches in length by 19 inches in depth. Overall length of the shelves in one continuous row will be 36 inches total. Shelves can be adjusted to the desired height of your preference. So whenever the beer bar back cooler is not in operation, keys will lock your cooler. Overall height for the interior of the beer bar back cooler will include 32 inches in height. Coming to the top right column is the ETL certification. Coming to the left is your temperature controller to run and operate this beer bar back cooler. Please note that the stainless steel is covered in film and can be peeled off. Last but not least, cooler runs on 110/120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.